we're going to try to pick an object that's a little bit complex to track, right? Once you have that ready, you can download the checkpoints. You see what's happening here with the hands and the bowl. So like the bowl is like going through. So that's the person we want to highlight. And let's see how it does the job. If you have been following us on YouTube and you're a faithful subscriber and a faithful viewer, then you should definitely know that we recently published a video related to SAM2, introducing SAM2 by Meta AI. And in that video, we're basically talking about what SAM2 is and, like going through the in-depth and, like the technology and, the data set and like, everything in between. By the way, if you are a newcomer, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we talk about AI, machine learning, open source, generative AI, large language models. We talk about everything in between, how to use AI and stuff like that to better off your life. Basically assist our viewers and we assist our community, essentially use these technologies. And this can be professionally or personally, so it doesn't matter. We equally cover AI news, everything in between AI news. So feel free to subscribe to the channel if you definitely do not want to miss any of our videos. So like we promised in our previous video, we are dropping a video which is going to cover testing SAM2 and the capabilities and what exactly it's able to do, right? So for this video, we're going to go through the GitHub repository, which is what we have opened right here. And in the GitHub repository, where you can basically install this locally. You can have this installed locally. I'm not quite sure about the requirements, but that's definitely something I'm gonna check and I'm gonna let you guys know in the description below or in the comment section. This is how you can install it. So you need to have, this requires Python. When I mean requirements, I'm talking about system requirements. Like you need to have maybe 32 gigabyte of memory of VRAM or this kind of stuff. That's what I mean by requirements. Now, so far as the requirements, dependency requirements is concerned, you pretty much need something like Python, PyTorch, and these are the versions that you need. And you just clone the repository and have everything installed onto your computer. And you can, once you have that ready, you can download the checkpoints. And the checkpoints, I believe they're like the models, the pre-trained models, which you can download and you can just use them automatically. And I'm seeing here they're using CUDA, and which I'm not sure it's going to be possible for us to try install it locally since we're running on Mac OS, Apple Silicon. Now, that's definitely something I'm going to do more research on and try to find out if there's a way for us to run it on Apple Silicon, but that is onto another video. Now, that's just pretty much about it here. I'm not going to go into the details too much. Now, because this is something we are trying and we're trying to have this as fast as possible so we can, show you guys how this is performed. We're not going to waste time and try to install it locally and everything in between. We're going to go straight forward to the Meta platform, which I'm going to drop the link down in the description below. So you go to this link right here and then you click on Try Demo. So once you click on Try Demo, it's going to bring you to this page where it says segment anything to model, create virtual cutouts and effects with a few clicks. So this is pretty much the landing page they have here and it looks really, really good. So you're going to click on Try Now. So guys, again, I haven't tried this. This is the first time I'm trying this and we are doing this together. I haven't tried this before. This is the first time we're getting into the platform and trying to see how it works, or you were trying to explore the capabilities. Another thing I would like to specify before we try the demo is that we are currently using the demo link provided by Meta, and this doesn't mean that you always have to use this link if you want to do segmentation on videos or on images. You can literally go to the GitHub repository like I showed before, like I showed earlier. You can go to the GitHub repository if you have the system requirements required to run SAM2. You can just download everything, you clone the repository, you set up everything locally on your computer or on your organization server, and you can have this running pretty much locally. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be running it on Meta AI's servers. We're gonna try the videos provided to us by Meta AI. Again, I know, you're gonna ask me, why are you trying the videos provided by Meta AI? Okay, I thought about that and I prepared two videos for the sake of this video, which I'm gonna be going through later on down the line. So those two videos are videos which are from me. So we are gonna try to segment elements or people or things from those videos, and we're essentially going to see how it works. So for more context, these are the videos I was talking about. So if we go in here, we're going to see the first video. The first video is a video of me. Hey, I went for a hiking event and things were really interesting there. It was an amazing event and I really loved it. And the second video is pretty much, us walking through the hoods, and that's just pretty much about it. Now, if we go back here to the MetaLab demo platform, we can see here that on the left, we have something like click an object in the video to start. So you'll be able to use this SAM2 demo to make fun edits for any video by tracking objects and apply visual effects. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, we're not going to go too deep into this. We're just trying to see how extensive this can be, like how good it is at tracking things. So it says click on any object in the video to get started. So let's try to highlight his shirt, I guess. Okay, so it actually has highlighted his shirt. And track objects. Hang on while your objects are tracked. Okay, it's tracking the object. Look at this, guys. This is incredible. It is tracking. It is actually tracking. It is tracking his shirt. I'm not quite sure how accurate this is, but it looks really interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So that's it for this one. We are gonna be trying the videos I had recorded before, and we're gonna see how it works out. So I'm gonna try to delete this. So it's not deleting, by the way. I don't know why. Let's wait a second. Okay, next. Okay, so if I click next, I can add some certain things to it. But yeah, surprise me. Let's see what it's gonna say. If it's, let's see, surprise me. Okay. Hey, not the funnest effect, but hey, it's not that bad. We can see here it's kind of having, you see what's happening here with the hands and the bowl. So like the bowl is like going through, and yeah, interesting stuff. Interesting stuff right there. Hey, this is in no way perfect. Let's just head forward to the other video. So if we shift this one to the right here, and let's say we start over because we want to start from with a new video. So let's click on change video. So we have a couple of videos which they provide us here. I didn't want to use these videos they provided because I want it to be more personalized. So I'm gonna head straight forward to uploading the videos we have, or the videos we have recorded, and we're gonna go with those videos. So if I go in here, check on the test videos. So we upload the first video. So while this is uploading, I just want to say thank you if you're still here up to this time. Thank you so much for tuning in to our YouTube channel. If you love the content, please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our coming videos. Thanks again, and that's it. Now that we have uploaded the video, we're just gonna play the video a little bit. So we play the video. That's the video right here. We play the video, and then let's put this back here. Oh, sorry. Right. Now, after playing the video, like we're seeing it here, we're going to try to, highlight something a little bit complex, okay? We're going to try to pick an object that's a little bit complex to track, right? So let's try to track someone who is behind me, right? Let's try to track someone. Okay, so let's try to track this guy right here. Let's say, yes, we're tracking him. Yes, we are tracking him. So we track. Okay. Okay, it's tracking him. Oh my god, this is really good. This is really, really good. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna pause that for a second. We click on remove. I'm not sure what the remove is supposed to do. Removed errors from the object in the video. It's a point to delete 8. Okay. Okay, it doesn't remove the object in the video because that would have been scary if it does. I mean, I guess it's just a matter of time before it's able to do this. So it's really tracking the person really well. It's, you know, it's like, you know, masking out my head here, and yeah, it's really, really great job. It's tracking the person behind me really good. Now let's try to track this other person right here. Let's try to track this other person right there. Let's say track objects. It is tracking him even when he's walking. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It is tracking him. Look at that. Okay. I think it missed him. Okay. Did you see what just happened? It came before it came forward, it missed him there. Look at that. You see what just happened? It missed him there. This is interesting. This is interesting. This is interesting. Really good so far. Really good so far. But after that, it's able to track it fully. This is interesting. Really good so far. Really, really good. So the tracking is over. So let's track again. Click on tracking. Cancel tracking. Okay. So next, let's say erase. Okay. Next. Okay. It has erased the person. Okay. Okay. I mean, this, I wouldn't call this erase, but yeah, it's kind of like a white person, like a white field behind me. But yeah, I wouldn't call that erase. No, no, no. So let's start over and go with the second video. I hope you guys love this content. Let me know and drop a comment down below if you enjoy watching this content, and I hope you really do. Let's move to the next video. So I'm gonna move this right here, and I'm gonna click upload. I'm gonna select the second video. So right now we have the video loaded. I'm just gonna play the video here for you guys to see. So it's playing the video, and we're gonna pick a specific person to, you know, essentially segment that person, like highlight that person. So I'm gonna pause it right here, and let's say I'm looking for something more complex, you know, like someone who is not really into frame. You see, I'm thinking of this person behind here. Okay, you see what's going on? This person right here. I'm talking about this person. So let's try it. Let's try to segment to pick that person. So I'm gonna zoom out, and I'm gonna pick this person right here. So that's the person we want to highlight, and let's see how it does the job. So I'm gonna move myself right here, zoom out, and then track objects. Let's see how it does. I mean, it is tracking. It is. Look at what's going on. Okay, look at what's going on here. So I'm not sure. Okay, you see the legs. Okay, it missed it there. It's yeah, it's kind of daunting. Like, is it him? Is it not him? What's going on? So yeah, so that's a person that's walking. Okay, let's try to track this person right here. This person right here. I'm gonna highlight add. So we're trying to track this person. Okay. I'm not sure why it's highlighting this other person, but okay. Maybe I should remove first and then highlight the person again like this. Okay. I'm not sure why it's selecting this other person right here, but yeah, let's go tracking. Okay, it's tracking here. Okay, Okay, it isn't taking the other person. So we're tracking this guy right here, and we're tracking who again? We're tracking this guy. So you see what just happened? It kind of blipped there a little bit before. Like, that's the idea. Like, that's what I wanted to see. Like, when he comes in frame, it doesn't actually really track him at first, but later down the line, yes, it does track him. So look at this. Look at this. Can you see what's happening? Can you see what's happening? When he's coming in frame, it doesn't track him, but later on it picks him. It's like 2 seconds or like a couple of milliseconds before it actually start tracking him. And let's see what we have here next. Let's say surprise me. Okay. Surprise me. Let's see what's gonna do. Change background. Okay. So it's skipping like, okay, so you're skipping the background, black and white, and then the other people who are being tracked, it's skipping them normally. So let's erase them, for example. So if we erase them, he is still here, but he was erased. Okay, right now he is erased. So that's really, really weird, honestly. But yeah. Hey, this is in no way perfect. This is a second generation, the second version of SAM2, and SAM1 wasn't even compatible with videos, and right now they're getting into videos and segmenting videos, segmenting objects from videos, and this is really, really amazing job. Heads up, Mark, you're doing a really, really great job. So let's say we go here. Oh, it's like blurring everything. Contrast. Okay, it's like contrasting and then leaving those ones untouched. Okay, clear background. Okay, they're the only ones walking in frame. Like everything else is blurred. Okay, that's good. That looks interesting. Emoji. Okay, what emoji is showing there? Okay, it's showing an emoji on the person. This is really funny. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this video wasn't a long video. It's not supposed to be long. It was pretty much a video that was promised. We promised we're gonna do a demo of SAM2 to show you guys what this technology is, to like show you guys this technology in practice. And I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.